I love you. Do you love me? Say it back! Just kidding. So, if you want to learn how to make it, watch the video. Do you want to learn how to make prison fudge? Because this is all you need. These 3 magical ingredients in about 10, maybe 20 minutes. That's perfect amount of time for a YouTube video, right? Right. Prison fudge. First, you need a pan. Second, sugar. Oh. Oh. I can't see. Yay, sugar. Just make sure I didn't miss any of it. Fuck it, we're doing the whole box. God, I'm gonna have so much energy. What is that? Someone nutted in my sugar. That's not Johnny Sins. After you fill this beautiful thing up with sugar, we're gonna need some unfiltered water because, you know, we ain't got that fucking YouTube money yet. And you're gonna wanna pour it slowly. God, I'm always afraid I'm gonna pour too much, and then it's gonna take longer than 20 minutes, unless you have more sugar. We ain't got measuring cups in prison, so you just kind of eyeball it. All right, now, pretty much it should look like a nut. Huh. Check. All right, step 3 is also very important. You're gonna wanna talk nice to it. I love you, baby. You're gonna go so good together with these brownies. Peanut butter loves you too. You're gonna mix so good. I know you are. I love you. You're daddy's little rock star. Now I'm gonna cook you. After you place your cooking apparatus on the lighting apparatus, you turn it on. Fire! And we're gonna let it boil. But you gotta stir it because this shit'll turn to caramel. It heats up very fast. Ultimately, by the end of this, you want this to be clear, like water. That's how you know it's done. Oh, I'm gonna eat all of you by myself. Definitely make sure to stir it a lot because it will taste burnt. And then once it starts to heat up and you can feel it turn into like more of a liquid state, you're gonna want to turn it down to about 4. It's so hot with my face by the fire. Step number 4, blow some vape in it. Oh yeah, you're gonna taste real good. It's that good. Alright, so I can see it start to break down a little bit, so this is the time where you turn it down. Start with this hand. Even though I've never stirred with this hand, I feel like the other hand's in the way of the camera. It's almost turning yellow. It's worrisome. You're not supposed to be yellow. That's the color of caramel. We don't want caramel. It's starting to boil. Get a close-up of it for you guys. So it's yellow. You can see the bubbles at the bottom, I think. My phone should be high definition enough. We'll hear in a second, either way. There they are. Now she's a-cooking. Gotta keep the heat on low at this point. Like I said, you do not want this shit tasting burnt. Definitely don't spill this on you because it will rip your skin off. That was also a technique they used in prison. We didn't have stoves, we had to use the microwave. I know people are like, oh, how the fuck did you get a stove in prison? Well, you put it in your butt and snuck it in. Easy bake oven, you know. I'm gonna put it down to a simmer on 2. Oh, his handles are hot. Turned it up a bit for a couple seconds. Let it evaporate some of that water. I know I used too much of it, but I mean, there's really no harm. It just takes a little bit longer to cook. Ouch! It fucking splashed on me. Not in front of my friends. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it down. Maybe blow on it a bit. Show it someone that I love. You look so pretty. You're gonna make me YouTube famous, aren't you? Because people like prison techniques. Yes, they do. I would kiss you, but I would need to go to the emergency room. Because you're a bad bitch. Oh, yeah, you like that? Oh, yeah. You dirty. You naughty sugar. Yes. Oh my god. Yeah, are you close? Faster? Oh god, I can't go faster. Faster? Oh god, I can't do it. Are you there yet? Close? My arm's getting tired. Yeah. Please don't squirt on me. It's fun in most occasions, but not today. Yeah? Yeah, you're looking like you're done. Daddy likes. She's coming to that clear point. I know you guys can see it getting a little clearer. Still looks like someone pissed in it, but... Caramel! Okay, from this point, I'm gonna turn it off for a bit. Put the apparatus back in the apparatus holder. It's a bad idea. That motherfucker's gonna be like glue. Oh well. Brownies! Hadouken! And that's it. Only 6 of these things in here. First thing you do once you have them out, give them the blessing. I love you. You're gonna taste so good. Second, you gotta open some of these bitches up. Depending on how much you guys want to use. I think I'm going to use all of them because I'm a fat shit and I like to party. It's not poisonous. We're good. That one's not poisonous either. Poison control is optional. Yay, poison-free brownies! Now we need peanut butter. Skippy, Skippy, Jiffy. One of the Mandela effects. I'm gonna call you Skippy today because in 10 years you're gonna be Skip. And everyone's gonna be like, hey, it was never Skippy, it's always been Skip. Like they do now. Alright, now we're gonna see if this is still usable. Okay, it is. Sometimes it hardens pretty quick, but we're good. This is the delicate part, you guys. Fuck yeah. Oh, God, I love you, peanut butter. You're lucky you're not a girl, peanut butter, or I would marry you. God, it's never ending. I was hoping this would be easier on camera, but it's not. There's really no measurement for peanut butter. That looks suffice enough. And then you stir. I might need more peanut butter, I lied. Slowly, just, you know, crumple some of these up in here. Yay, brownies. Oh. Yo! Don't drop on the floor. Goddamn scorpions are gonna get you. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, doesn't that look fucking amazing? And the Chinese blame obesity on fast food. Don't show them this video. And stir. And kick. And punch. And punch. And kick. Watch the magic happen. 3 M&Ms. Boop. Now, as you can see, this stuff hardens pretty... Oh! Hot potato. So as you can see, I mean, it likes to turn over pretty quick. So I'm just gonna use the counter this time because I'm doing a YouTube video. Usually I'll put it in a pan, but I don't think it fucking matters, honestly. I'm gonna eat it all anyway, so what do I care if you guys think it's unsanitary? Oh God, it's gonna be hot as a motherfucker though. Look at it. Oh, so good. I'm trying to mix it up a bit better so I don't get so much of the sugar extract that's left in there all over my counter. Peanut butter won't stick. That stuff's like silicone right now. It's weird. Use a better utensil too. Most of you probably have proper utensils at home. I'm a lazy man, so I don't. I'm more of a eat a pizza kind of guy. You know, fuck you. It's time for a real man. I am a real man. No, you're not. You're a bitch. I'm so happy. This is protein sugar. And now we get to play hot potato. Hot potato. Jesus fuck. You stop it. You like to burn me? Oh, hot potato. It's too sticky. Hip. Oh. You know what? It's done. Look at this beautiful pile of shit right here. From here, you use saran wrap and throw it in the freezer till it cures. Alright, I tried cutting it once before, but it like messed up and everything's gotta be perfect. So, let's do this again. Oh, fuck yeah. Much better. That first piece is always so hard to get out of here though. Usually it doesn't matter. I don't care if it crumbles up a bit, but nah, not when you gotta present it. I love you. Do you love me? Say it back. Just kidding. There's like 10 pounds of fudge here, you guys. This costs like what? $4? If you have a bake sale, you know, this is perfect for it. Cheap. Only takes about 20 minutes to fully cook and prepare, and there's a lot of it. So, if you want to learn how to make it, watch the video.